So this is how you can add a to-do list on ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to add a to-do list or a checklist. So this is pretty simple. All you're gonna have to do is just go to the task or list that you want to add a checklist into, and then you're gonna want to scroll down, and as you can see, there's checklists. So tap on create checklist, and you can rename it if you want to. Tap on the three dots, tap on rename checklist, and I'm just gonna put 100 as the name because I can't really think of anything. Now, you can add a new checklist item. For example, go eat dinner. Now, I understand that some people can use ClickUp for businesses, but let's say you're just gonna use ClickUp as a way to organize your life. So, now that we have this dinner one, I'm gonna put go to bed as a second one so I can show you fully how checklists work. So as you can see, it says 0 out of 2. That means you've done 0 things out of the 2 things in your checklist. So if you go ahead and eat dinner, you can tap on that. As you can see, there's a green bar and it's only at halfway and it says one of two things. That means one of two things are done. So if you go ahead and check this one out as well, it's going to be at full bar and two of two things done. So that's pretty much how checklists work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.